We all know that every night, every perfect night at least, begins with a very cold ice bath. Woo! Yeah. Hi Vogue. I'm Zara Larsson and this is my perfect night in. Welcome, welcome. As soon as you enter, you kind of come into the kitchen area, which I honestly don't spend that much time in. This is where I have all my slippers, by the way, and you're free to take one if you want. Before Twitter and Instagram and TikTok and all of that, my kind of escape from reality was books. Ah, this classic. Do you know this title, even if it's in Swedish? Me and my sister, very cute. And titties, upside down. This is where I spend all of my time. So if I would summarize last year in one picture, this would be it. Hi. These are my favorite shoes to wear to like everything and to perform in, and also, excuse me, how nice. Very 90s. Oh, this is one of my favorites. Kind of like 70s vibes. I love color, sparkles. I love everything that gives people like a little show. So here we have Jerome. He's just so beautiful to me. Can you believe he looks like a supermodel? I think his face is like Kate Moss. No, put it back. We also have this little lady, the princess. Like, she's been inflated for a year, which I think is incredible. Demon. This is what I bought for my music production. Get off the internet. And then it turned into like checking blogs and vlogs and Pinterest computer. I watch everything. I feel like I turned into a professional series watcher. I can be like a movie critic by now, or a director, but we'll come back to that. And I also watch my grandma. It looks like she's dead, but she's definitely alive, and she's very beautiful. I feel like we'd look a little alike. Now it's about like -2, I think, which is very cold. Sometimes I take baths in the water down here. I will put on a bathing suit and I will go and take a swim because it's good for you and it's good for your immune system, and you never regret taking a swim. Oh. Last time I was here, it wasn't any ice. That's pretty thick. I think my goal today for staying in the water is gonna be like 1 minute. Oh, I'm really cold. I'm actually gonna start with some breathing exercises. I feel like the man who got me into this is Wim Hof. Wim Hof breathing technique. Yeah, here we go. This is more mentally than physically, honestly, because anyone can like be in the water, but you just have to make up your mind. I'm ready to get it over with. And you can take that with you in every scenario in life. This is about how you view life. The cold never bothered me anyway. It's like physically very painful. Yeah, I think I'm good actually. Woo! This is the closest thing I'll come to a sauna. I just love a good fire. Gosigt. Nu myser vi, hörni. Go out in the lake and then sit in front of a really nice warm fire. This is one of the best feelings I know. That heat, like, where it just feels like your skin is kind of shrinking. I just love it. It's so nice. I just want to be really hot. It's tackle time. I'm a little scared of knives. I am very clumsy. I actually had to go to the hospital once and stitch up my foot. You can never do too much guac. I think we'll end up having 3 in here. So there's obviously tacos from like, you know, Mexico and like the real deal. And then we got the Swedish tacos. It's a burrito without rice and we eat it every Friday. Very Swedish. De blev lite wonky. When you make tacos like this, it's not something you do by yourself. Jag har badat. Yeah. Even if you made it yourself, you want to enjoy it with others. So I got my best friends on call. Vi är absolut live. Bara bete er.
Är det live?
Ja.
Nej.
Jo.
Nej! Kan en person fråga? Är det beterat för det? Jag tar ju patent på det.
Hey. So this is the room. I haven't shown you guys yet, but it's one of my favorites. Look at the clouds. This is the sunset at the savannah. Spring flower. I like that. I also did a custom one when I released my song Love Me Land. And this is what the colors on that one looks like. And you can't have a perfect night in without watching a really good movie or a really good series. Because I haven't really been touring, I've just started watching so much movie. I really enjoyed Lupin, Bridgerton, that I watched in literally one sitting. Ozark, oh gosh, it's good. And as I was watching all this, I was just like, I should get into this. Why not? At least start off by creating my own, you know, music videos. Oh, vad skönt vad det är. I might take a nap right now. Whew. Welcome back to the kitchen. Before I go to sleep every night, I do a little bit of a noodle soup. Noodles is the only thing I can eat like every day. I will never get tired of it. Ain't no perfect night without the noodles. Thank you, Vogue, for following me, and thank you everyone who's been watching my perfect night in. Now I'm gonna eat these noodles, and then I will actually try to go to sleep after a very long but a very fun day. Take care, guys. Love this top. If I was a Polly Pocket and I was like only came with one outfit, this would be the outfit for me. Dress up a little. Yeah. She's going to a gala. It's giving me Cher. You know what I mean? Strictly, you know, Dancing with the Stars. There's a monitor right there, and I just can't stop to myself. Oh my God. Hey Vogue, I'm Zara Larsson, and to watch more videos like this, subscribe down here.